This is the water tank at Vidarendale Country Retreat near El Dorado. This is a mural that I've been working on for about 5 or 6 years with the help of Steve, who's been advising me and helping. Here we're going completely around the tank. It's 360 degrees around, so I'll try to get the whole thing. It's been so much fun working on this, I can't tell you. Let's see, there's a turtle, a magic turtle, and here we go around and round. And we're working still on this side a little more, maybe today. And here we are, all the way around. This is the Cosmic Temple area. And there's a spaceship with the cat that Steve worked on today. A lovely little kitty. And let's see, I think we're almost completely around the tank now. Here we go, there's an island, and we come around to the psychedelic cosmos, and to the strange mummy and lotus, and that's it.